Hey, in this video, we'll look at how to use AI to generate images from Alai itself using the best image generation models. So let's take a look at an example. We have this slide, and right now this looks pretty plain. One way to make it stand out a little bit is to add a slide image. So let's add a slide image. And right now we see just one of these backgrounds, but let's add an image which is more contextually relevant to what the slide is talking about, which is 3 reasons why someone would want to use the nest. So now let's use the AI to generate an image. We can do that by clicking on generate, and then we can paste a prompt in. For now, I just have this prompt, which I wrote a little bit before with the help of ChatGPT. And now we'll generate this image. We'll choose portrait, given that it's a portrait image, and then we'll use GPT image 1 as the model. Let's generate. So we now see that AI has generated images, and they look pretty relevant with the parent picking up their child from daycare. Let's try to choose this, and let's try to change the text here with the help of AI as well. So I'm going to select this image by clicking on down here, and now I'm going to try to edit this image with AI. I'm going to say, let's change the text in the image under door to near nest. Let's see if this works. Okay, so it did. And you see this was the original image, and now this is the edited image. So we can just choose it. Let's look at a few more controls. So when we go back to the slide, by Xing out here, we can see we can add some padding, or we can put it on the right. We can remove the padding. We can make this a background, which doesn't seem like the best idea here, but might be in a few cases. For now, I'm just going to stick to this. Now, let's look at a few more controls that we have with images on Alai. So this is a regular image element, and we can see that there's a make it pop button, which adds gradients to it. So if I keep clicking on it, I'll see a bunch of different backgrounds, which are relevant to the theme, and this button will position it accordingly. So we can see all the backgrounds here, and we can also control them via this button. Next, there are 3 ways to position an image within the broader image container. One can click on fit, which will make it fit one of the sides, or one can click on fill, which will make it completely fill the container, or one can also click on custom for any custom placements. For now, I'm just going to stick with fit, and then click on make it pop. So yes, those are a few ways to work with images on Alai.